What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play 11 Minutes by Halsey. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes, so stick around to the end of the video where I'll explain how you can enter the giveaway, but for now let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Alright y'all, this song starts out in standard tuning. You're starting out with your index finger on your 4th fret on your E string. I use my pinky. You can use your ring finger if you want, but you are going to be stretching pretty far down on your E string. So I would suggest using your pinky on your 6th fret on your A string. Index finger, 4th fret, E string. That's your first formation. Your second formation is going to be keep your pinky finger where it is and move your index finger down to your 2nd fret on your low E string. Your next formation is just going to be just your pinky, and then your low E string is open. Then your final formation is index finger 2nd fret E string, pinky finger 4th fret A string. So for the picking pattern, you're just using your E and your A string, and your picking pattern is 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and for all of the chords. So 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and, starting with your E string, it's 1 and, then your A string, 2 and, 1 and, back to the E string, 2 and on the A string, and then 1 and is EA. So 1 and, 2 and, 1 and, 2 and, 1 and that's for all the chords. So 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and. Now you stay here for your first 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and then you go to your final chord 1 and 2 and 1 and. So your final chord only has a 1 and 2 and 1 and because you're doing the first one on the 3rd chord. You're staying there for an extra measure. So again, from the top, very slowly, it looks like this: 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and. Now if you wanted to just strum through the chords to the song, you can do that as well. Chord diagrams will be in the ebook in the description below. There's a link there. It's a free ebook. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. I give it out all the time on the channel. It's 100% free. Most of the chord diagrams are in there, so if you want to take a look at the diagrams, go download the ebook. The first chord is a G sharp minor. You're barring the entire 4th fret with your index finger, putting your ring finger on the A string on your 6th fret and your pinky finger on the D string on your 6th fret. Now your second chord, move that same formation down 2 frets to where your index finger is on the 2nd fret, ring finger is 4th fret A string, pinky finger is 4th fret D string, and then put your middle finger on the 3rd fret of your G string. And then your final chord is an E. That's your 1st fret, your index finger in the 1st fret of the G string, middle finger 2nd fret A string, ring finger 2nd fret D string. A simple strumming pattern for this will be a simple down, 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 up, down, 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 up throughout all the chords. It looks like this: down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is gonna win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free, it'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.